So for this video I want to share how to control solenoid door which is 12 volt with ESP32 and 5-volt relay and Keypad membrane which is 4x4, and this side we build the digit and this side is for the alphabet, and BC547 transistor which is NPN and 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, and this is LCD display, and here we have a 12 volt power supply. Because we have 12 volt power supply, we are using the 12 volt door lock, so we will need USB cable which will be transferable the data. I'm gonna start from the row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. And row 1 is 19, and row 2 is 18, and row 3 is this is pin number 5, and row 4 is D15. So the row side is complete, and the columns we will use here column 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So column 1 we connect to this pin number 13, and column 2 D12, column 3 D14, and column 4, we have to make sure we connect the correct pin, otherwise this will not work. So here this side is a row and this side is columns. So Keypad to ESP is complete, and from LCD and 5-volt relay we're going to use jumper wire. So I already screwed to connect. This is 5-volt DC jack. I'm going to connect to the 5-volt jack here. So here the red wire is positive and the black side is negative. I have a bunch of the negative wire here, and the positive one wire coming and split it to 2. So one VCC we goes to a VCC of LCD here, and the other side we connect to VCC of 5-volt relay. Negative we come in here and split to 2. So one side for LCD, the other side for relay. So this is ground and this side is ground. SDA we connect to digital pin number 21, and SCL we connect to D22. So LCD and the keypad already complete. So from here the relay in we need to go through with BC547. We cannot directly connect to here, otherwise it will not work. So we're going to use this BC547. The first pin is collector, and second the meter is base, and the last is emitter. So I get a 5-volt power supply, the ground wire connect to emitter. So from collector I'm going to connect to int. This is the pin number 23. We connect to the base. So the connection, everything is complete here. And 5-volt ground we have to connect to ESP32 ground. And make sure you connect everything is in correct position, otherwise your components can be burnt. So we're not going to power this power supply first. We're going to upload the code, and here I'm going to connect to computer. This is the code. I'm using LCD display 16 times 2, and here's the digital pin. This is for relay, and the password is 1234. And this is the role for the keypad and the columns for the keypad. Make sure that you connect correct pin. And now we can select the board. So we use ESP32, and the port here is COM7. And click to upload and press the boot button, don't forget. So now uploaded the code, and I'm pressing the boot button. Done upload, and we can press EN button, and now everything is in the correct position, and I can turn on the 12-volt power supply. So this 12-volt we make it to step down to 5-volt. The 5-volt we power everything right here, and the 12-volt is to control the relay, and we make it on and off the solenoid. So let me turn on the power supply, these things right here. Right, so solenoid is on. So the moment I turn it on, the solenoid is already open. So the password what I set is the password 1234. And here, if your screen is not bright enough, you can adjust from here. This is the behind. This is the brightness adjust. So let me press the EN button. Password is 1234. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and enter. So access grant. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Access grant. So so sometimes very important. We just have to double check our connection. Everything is either fine. So sometimes the connection will be loose because of we are using the jumper wire, and it's not touching properly. Then by the time it will not be work. That is because of the connection issue. So just make sure your connection everything is fine. So let me turn on and let me type my password 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is enter. So access grant. So why my solenoid is reversed in position, we can change inside the code. Otherwise we can switch to output from NC to NO to NC. So let's say I will remove this, and if I put it to NC side here, this will work in the reverse position. So I hope you can see this. So this time let me type my password 1, 2, 3, 4 and enter. Then the door is open. So if I roundly type my password 4, 5, 6, 7, enter, there's round password. And if you think you round, then you can enter as clear. That's to clear the password, and re-enter. Enter already password, then round 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So in this position, you can change any password you can set inside the code. So this is the way that how we can make our download system using the keypad. And here, very important, we're using ESP32 here, and this is a keypad, and here's LCD display. This is the door lock, and this is a 5-volt relay, and here is BC547 NPN transistor and 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. So if you didn't use NPN transistor, and your things will not work, because from ESP32 the signal is very weak to directly control to relay. And if you think this video is helpful, and please support me to like and share, and you can ask anything inside the comment, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. And thank you for watching my video.